Hello, my wonderful family. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. If you are new here, my name is NK Joy Sweet. You are welcome to my kitchen. And I am so excited to have you join me today. For all my returning viewers, all my returning friends, thank you so much for your love and support. You all means the world to me. Today I am going to share an amazing recipe with you, Nigerian Coconut Jollof Rice. This is a must-try dish that is packed with flavor and perfect for any occasion. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking together. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you never miss any of my videos. And if you like, and if you are watching on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, like, follow, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's dive in. So, what I like doing before frying my stew, I always boil down my tomatoes before frying my stew. So blend the pepper, tomatoes, red bell pepper until smoothing. This form your flavorful pepper base. So boil the tomatoes with salt. So in a pot, add a small amount of vegetable oil, add the tomato paste and fry it over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes to remove the raw taste of the paste and enhance its flavor. So now I will fry the chopped onion. Once the onion is fried and translucent, I will fry the tomato paste. In a large pot, I will add vegetable oil and add the tomato paste and fry it for 5 to 7 minutes until the taste is gone and become flavorful. So now I'm going to add the parboiled tomatoes mixture to the fried tomato paste. Stir well and cook for 10 minutes, allowing the flavor to develop and the sauce to thicken. So next step, I will break open the fresh coconut, extract the fresh coconut and blend it with water. Strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to obtain fresh coconut milk. Set it aside. So I will prepare the chicken stock. I will season the chicken with salt, seasoning cube, onion powder, curry powder, thyme, and nutmeg. So I will boil with bay leaf. So I will boil the chicken until tender. Reserve the stock for cooking the rice. So now I will combine the parboiled tomato mixture into the fried tomato paste. Stir well and cook for another 10 minutes, allowing the flavor to develop and the sauce to thicken. Incorporate the coconut milk. I'll pour the fresh coconut milk and stir to combine. Add the chicken stock to create the liquid base for cooking taste the rice. Taste and adjust with salt and if needed. Add the rice. Make sure you have washed the rice. Whatever rice you are using, whether the long grain rice or the short grain rice, wash truly until the water rinse clean. Add it to the pot, ensuring the liquid slightly cover the rice. Stir gently to mix everything. So I'm going to cook the rice, cover the pot. If you like, you can cover the pot tight fitting lid or foil to trap the steam. Reduce the heat to low and let the rice cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Avoid stirring too often to prevent the rice from becoming mushy. So once the chicken is ready, then fry the chicken. Me, I love frying my chicken with onion and carrot because the onion give it a good flavor and aroma, while the carrot give it a golden color and also give it a better taste. Serve and enjoy your coconut jollof rice made with fresh coconut. If you love my recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share with your friends and family. I would also love to hear from you how your coconut rice turned out. So feel free to leave a comment below. Please help me reach my goal of 1,000 to 10,000 subscribers. And to my amazing followers, your support means everything. Engage with me by liking, sharing, and commenting on my post to help me grow. Let's keep this journey going together. Thank you so much for your support and see you in my next video. Thank you all. Bye.
In the heart of my kitchen, where flavors collide, I stir magic in pots where dreams reside. From sizzling pans to fragrant spices, I weave tales of taste, my culinary devices. Recipes dance on my fingertips as I whisk memories into each dish. The stove hums secrets, the oven sings. In this gastronomic symphony, my heart takes wings. Enjoy a sweet kitchen, my canvas divine, where ingredients blend and stories intertwine. From savory stews to sugary delights, I serve love on plates under starry nights. The chopping board echoes with knife's embrace as I dice hope and sprinkle grace. Simmering curries whisper ancient lore. In this culinary journey I explore. Flour dust my apron, a badge of pride. Tasting spoons become my compass guide. From farm to fork, a pilgrimage I tread, nourishing souls